At the tender age of 6, the young Muhammad, peace be upon him, embarked on a journey with his mother, Lady Amna, from Mecca to Medina. This was no ordinary trip. It was a visit to honor his father's memory, who had passed away before his birth. In Medina, Lady Amna paid her respects at Abdullah's grave, a tribute to the love and loyalty she held for her late husband. Prophet Muhammad stood quietly, absorbing the loss he had never truly known. But on their return journey, tragedy struck. At a place called Abwa, Lady Amna fell ill and passed away, leaving young Muhammad, peace be upon him, orphaned, alone in the world. In this moment, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, lost not just a mother, but the sense of security every child deserves. His father, Abdullah, had been gone since before his birth, and now his mother, too, had departed. At just 6 years old, the Prophet of Islam had already faced the profound loss of both parents, a hardship that shaped his resilience and compassion for the orphaned and the downtrodden throughout his life.